Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to see some of the common English abbreviations along with the meanings and an emoji for each. Number one, ASAP, as soon as possible. BRB, be right back. BFF, best friends forever. DIY, do it yourself. FYI, for your information. LOL, laugh out loud. OMG, oh my god. TBA, to be announced. TBD, to be determined. VIP, very important person. ETA, estimated time of arrival. IDK, I don't know. IMO, in my opinion. IMHO, in my humble opinion. FYI, for your information. RIP, rest in peace. SMH, shaking my head. TMI, too much information. WTF, YOLO, you only live once. BAE, before anyone else. FML, fear of missing out. LMO, laughing. NSFW, not safe for work. TLDR, too long, didn't read. CYA, see you later. NA, not applicable. KISS, keep it simple, stupid. PS, postscript. RSVP, Rapunzel cell world split, please respond. TBD, to be decided. BFFL, best friend for life. LETR, later. Q&A, question and answers. SOS, save ourselves. DND, do not disturb. WISIWIG, what you see is what you get. CBA, can be asked. B2B, business to be. B2C, business to consumers. AFAIK, as far as I know. BFF, best friends forever. LDR, long distance relationship. MIA, missing in action. RNR, rest and relaxation. TLTR, too long, didn't read. PTO, paid time off. FYI, for your information. SNAFU, situation normal, all folded. WIP, work in progress. Let me know if you need more information. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Meet you with another video.